I have decided on a little bit of metallic to go underneath the beetle. It's quite gingery, like a rooster. Do you approve? I think he might. Years ago, I mean literally years ago, I redesigned a hairdresser's salon, and we used a Craig & Rose paint in copper to paint one of the walls. And I actually looked on my in my stories, and it's nearly 15 years ago. Okay, so this tin of paint has been hiding in the cellar for nearly 15 years, and I'm using it to paint the backdrop to the Jigsaw. But I just thought I'd mention how unbelievable the quality must be. You know, and all credit to Craig & Rose, who make it, a Scottish company, because all I've done is take the lid off and give it a mix, and it's absolutely perfect. 10 out of 10. In fact, 11 out of 10. So I've used, oh look, probably, I don't know, 10% of the tin. I actually used a fluffy roller. I didn't want a completely flat finish, and what I found with these metallic paints is I think you get a nicer finish when you use the fluffy roller as opposed to the sponge. Just my opinion, but that's why you're here. Did you see the stories this morning? Let me take this. Very bright, very bright. You just grab that, Miss Ren. Thank you very much. You can put it down. It's standing in the middle of the garden. Do you remember when we were looking at the beetle the other day? So this is my lockdown jigsaw that I bought. And I bought him because obviously I love this oil slick kind of all these kind of colours. So I did the jigsaw. I know he's missing a leg, but there's a reason for this. And what you can do with these, you can, once you've done the jigsaw, you can put the sticky stuff on the back, which holds all the jigsaw together, which I thought was really cool. And I'm going to mount him, don't say that up very often, I'm going to mount him on this piece of card, and I'm going to have a little bit of a play. He's always going to remind me of lockdown as a piece of artwork in the house. And I'm going to do a little bit of what we do, which is we spill things out. We don't have sharp demarcation lines here. We spill everything out, whether it's flooring or wallpaper or tiles or whatever it is. Sort of spill them out and not have his leg intact. So you can always tell it's a jigsaw. Anyway, there you go. That's what I'm going to do. But the other thing is, of course, get ready for the thumbs up or the thumbs down on this one, as well as spilling out the pieces and then framing him. And I'm going to spray the frame with some sort of brightly coloured neon greens and yellows, so that picks up what's going on inside rather than just have a plain black frame. I'm also going to I'm going to draw around him with a pencil. And then I'm going to remove him, and then I'm going to use some spray to sort of spray around the shape and then put him back. So when you look at it, it's like a bit of a 3D thing. So there's like a neon spray line around him, and then he's going to sit on that. And if it looks really, really shit, I'm just going to paint over it in copper. So instead of just being the beetle against the copper, you've got that sort of like graffiti thing around it. Anyway, I'm going to give it a go. I might have to take this outside to spray him then, might I? Like, it's quite hard to see. So I think I'm going to use marker pen just to mark on the inside. I have no idea whether this is going to work. So I've drawn the line just in... So we'll just have a bit of a test. Oh, it drips. Right, that's okay because it's under the beetle. I need to hold it further back. I'll tell you what I could do with. You can get those little spray cans that do detail, but anyway, I haven't got that. Right. So I think I need to let that dry and then see what it looks like.
If you just move your hand a minute. See, if you come and stand where I am, see, it's a perfect beetle.
How is there always a fly that lands on whatever you're painting? Come on, mate. And should I just put an overall spray of green there, do you think? That the jigsaws, that the little broken pieces will be floating out into.
Oh, got you, yeah. So would you mix that with a bit of yellow as well?
No.
Do us a favour with the green spray. We just go over here where you did white the other day.
You want some on your lawn there?
Yeah, look at that. That's
There.
nice and green now. That. Oh, what are you doing?